It's 2:37 in the morning. Empty warehouse, lights half off, wind pushing dust across the floor, and instead of a security guard walking the perimeter, you hear mechanical footsteps. Not loud, not dramatic, just steady. That's the Unitree AS2. And this thing, it might actually replace night patrols. Now before you roll your eyes and say, yeah, another robot dog, hear me out. This one weighs just 18 kilograms. You could literally lift it into your trunk, but each joint pushes out around 90 Newton meters of torque. That's serious strength for something this size. It's not a toy. It's not a dance robot. It's built to work. This thing can run over 5 meters per second, climb 40-degree slopes, step up 25-centimeter stairs, even clear obstacles close to half a meter, and it'll do it in the rain. IP54 rated. Dust? Fine. Drizzle? Fine. Now here's where it gets interesting. Battery life. Unloaded? Over 4 hours. Carrying gear? Still more than 2.5, and it can travel over 13 kilometers before it needs a recharge. Think about that. Large industrial park, solar farm, data center campus, construction site. Instead of rotating human patrol shifts all night, you deploy this, it carries sensors, thermal cameras, gas detectors, maybe even a radio relay. And because it supports open development, companies can plug in their own AI systems. It can follow a preset route. It can intelligently track a person. It can navigate tight stairwells. And unlike a human guard, it doesn't get tired at 4 a.m. Now I know what some of you are thinking. Black Mirror vibes. Relax, this isn't some sci-fi killer machine. It's a compact industrial platform with legs. And honestly, 4 legs make more sense than 2 for rough terrain, way more stable. Here's the bigger picture. We're watching robots quietly move from viral stunts to infrastructure. Not replacing everyone, but handling the boring, repetitive, sometimes risky stuff. Night Patrol is exactly that. The AS2 feels less like a flashy prototype and more like something that could actually show up at your workplace next year. So the real question isn't can it, it's would you trust it? Let me know in the comments. Would you rather have a human guard walking the perimeter or an 18-kilogram robot dog with 90 Newton meters torque that never blinks? And if this is where compact robotics is right now, imagine 5 years from now. That's when it gets really interesting.